Hello guys, let's solve this question together. We have 4 to the power of x minus 5 is equal to 20. And we're asked to find the value of x in this equation. Let's solve this nice and easy. So the first step is to isolate this exponential part, the 4 to the power of x. So we do that by we add 5 to both sides. Okay? So we have 4 to the power of x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20 plus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 plus 5 will cancel out. Then we'll have 4 to the power of x is equal to 20 plus 5 will give us 25, right? Now, because we have the base of 4 and 25, there are different bases, so we're going to introduce logarithm here. So let's say take log of both sides. All right, so when we take log of both sides, we'll have log 4 to the power of x is equal to log 25. All right, now we'll be applying a logarithm rule that when you have log a to the power of x, it's the same thing as writing it as x log a. So you notice that you see that the x came to the front and we'll have log a. Now let's apply this rule here. Okay, so now we'll have x log 4, it's equal to log 25. All right, now we are trying to find the value of x. So to isolate x, we divide both sides by log 4. So we say divide both sides by log 4. All right, now we'll have x log 4 divided by log 4, it's equal to log 25 all over log 4. Log 4 cancel log 4, we have x is equal to log 25 all over log 4. Okay, now you know that you can rewrite 5 as, you can rewrite 25 as 5 multiplied by 5. And that's going to give you 5 to the power of 2. And we can write 4 as 2 multiplied by 2, and that is 2 to the power of 2. That's 2 squared. Okay, so let's continue. We have x is equal to, we'll be replacing 25 with this. So we have log 5 squared all over log 2 squared. Okay, now like I said earlier, that when you have log a to the power of x is equal to x log a. So let's apply this here. All right, now it becomes x is equal to 2 log 5 all over 2 log 2. Now you see that these 2 came here. We can cancel out these 2, giving us x is equal to log 5 over log 2. So if you do a change of base, we have that x is equal to log 5 base 2 as our final answer. All right, so let's verify this equation. All right, so to verify, we have our initial question as 4 to the power of x minus 5 is equal to 25. So we're trying to verify to know if our answer, which we got x to be equal to log 5 base 2. So we want to know if this is a value of x in this equation. Okay, now let's plug in we have 4 to the power of x is equal to 20. This should be 20. 20 plus 5. Okay, so we have 4 to the power of x is equal to 25. Let's plug in our value of x. So we have 4 to the power of log 5 base 2. Is it equal to 25? We can write 4 as 2 multiplied by 2, and that is going to give us 2 squared, right? So this becomes 2 squared to the power of log 5 base 2. Is it equal to 25? Okay, now when you have a power here, it becomes up to become the power of this 5 here. So it becomes 2 to the power of 5 to the power of log 5 squared base 2. Now this will cancel this, and that is equal to 25. So we have left 25 squared. Is it equal to 25? And 5 squared is what? 5 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 25. Therefore, our left hand side is the same thing as our right hand side. Value of x is equal to log 5 base 2 as our final answer. Bye bye. Follow me for more video.